All right, guys, today we're going to talk about the new park model we got on the lot. This is the one we got called the Bington. Beautiful structure. Again, built by the Amish. This one's more of a modern style. The BERTHA next to it is more of a rustic style. So let's go on in and show you this. Got a big step here. We're going to have to put a step up here to be able to. Okay. One of the things you'll notice right away, like I love, is all that knotty pine over there on the covered porch. I love it because you got that light knotty pine on the porch and the dark beams, and then you got that knotty pine on the front. Like I said, it's got that Scandinavian look where you got the mix of the wood with the black metal, and I always love that look. Now when you go inside, it does have the black door on it with the big glass window for all that natural light. Now, what I love about this one is when you walk into it, unlike a lot of park models, first of all, I'm right here by the road, and if you notice how quiet it got, very well insulated, how quiet it got when I closed the door. Again, you got these beautiful double pane, easy clean windows, okay? And what I love is that dark floor. You got your white walls, and then you got your tongue and groove dark stained ceiling, okay, which kind of gives it that open space. If I walk around this way, you'll see the living room area where you got your Bosch mini split right there above the door. You got your recessed lights, you got your fan, and again, 2 windows on that side and 2 windows on that side, and then the big glass window in the front door allows all kinds of natural light into this unit, okay? Absolutely beautiful. So again, here's your remote control for your Bosch mini split. And again, let me turn around. Now, let's say you want to get the tongue and groove knotty pine walls instead of the birch walls here. You can do that, okay? So keep that in mind. Or maybe you like the smooth walls and you want to paint them a different color. Keep in mind you can do that. Now you heard me mention a second ago, the walls on these park models, the way the Amish do it, this is not sheetrock. This ain't drywall, y'all. This is actual real, listen. You hear that? That's real wood. That's real birch plywood painted white. That way, you're not worried about when you are bouncing up and down the highway, that drywall bending and breaking and warping on your walls, right? This wood ain't gonna warp. This is solid birch plywood painted white. So that way, it ain't warping, it ain't coming off the walls. It is built solid, built to last, built by the Amish, okay? So up there, you see we got a generous sized loft where you could put easily a big old king bed or a couple of full-size beds or 4 twin mattresses up there, no problem. Okay, so there's that. And then here you got your kitchen sink, all modern, real modernized aesthetic, right? Got your little countertop, you got your electric stove, and remember, it comes just like you see it. This is all General Electric microwave, full-size microwave, full-size 4-burner stove. Across from the kitchen here, you got maybe you could use this for like your little spice cabinets. See what I'm saying? Get your little spice cabinet or something right here across from the kitchen, or storing your goods. Okay, so there's that there. And again, I'm 6'6", y'all, and my head ain't hitting the ceiling. Now it's close, but even at 6'6", I'm not having a duck right here, and I'm 6'6". So if you're shorter than 6'6", you're good to go. Now, if you're 6'8" or 6'9", you might have a problem. And this room right here can easily accommodate a queen size bed or smaller. King size would be pushing it, but it would easily accommodate a queen or full size bed, no problem. Okay, so again, this is what it looks like here, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you the loft. Let's take a couple steps here and show you what that looks like. So again, I really love the convenience of these steps, because again, I'm more of a steps guy than a set of ladders. And voila. So again, you got a window on that side, allowing all kinds of natural light, beautiful dark ceilings, and then you got your window on this side. You got all kinds of electrical outlets here, so the kids can hook up their laptops and telephones and their video games. And like I said, this is big enough to easily put a king size bed, actually you could probably put 2 full beds side by side, or probably like three. I don't know, it's hard to measure. I'd say probably 3 twin mattresses up here, no problem.
Hey everybody, we are in the Rocky model, RV park model. We actually did a video for you all yesterday. We have one exactly like this on the lot that I'm gonna get into the detail and talk about the differences and upgrades and stuff like that we can do. So if you guys haven't watched that video, go back and watch the video. That way you can see what I'm gonna talk about here. So from the very beginning, the one that we have on the lot, as you walk in, we have the kitchen just like this, but we do have a smaller living room and a bedroom right here. But to be honest, I fell in love with this one because it makes it really nice and spacious. I love it over here, and my son is really acting like he's so but we did a drive and he's just chilling over here. But anyways, these are some of, I want to go over the upgrades because I love this one. This is actually, I think, for a customer that they made upgrades with the countertops. This is the quartz countertops, very cool. And if you guys remember the video we did yesterday and also can correct me if I'm wrong, I think we had shelves on this side.
Yeah, we had shelves kind of like this, but
yes,
we didn't have full-blown kitchen cabinets like this.
Exactly, and that's what I was talking about yesterday, that you can turn these shelves into the cabinets. But some people like the static, which I do too. I think it just gives it a different vibe. It's really nice. And of course, the accent color makes all the difference. And in this one, actually, we have the same size stove, but we do have a little surprise over here. A little mini dishwasher comes handy. Very handy.
Yes. Can't go wrong with the dishwasher.
Exactly.
And something I wanted to point out as well, on the other model, it stops right here.
I think so.
But over here, they built an L-shaped island here, so that way you have a sitting room over here for your when you're having your meals. So you have 2 stools here, and now you have a spot to chill when you are eating your meal. Actually, I just noticed too, Nadia, could you?
Yes, I noticed that. There's more storage.
Some storage space there that I just noticed.
Nice and deep.
Yeah, so now you have another closet here with more storage underneath the bar area. Okay, so super cool.
And look at this little nook over here to hang your clothes, store your shoes, or whatever you want to do. And it's the same color as the cabinets, just to bring everything together. And more cabinets up here. To be honest, there's plenty of cabinet space in this little RV model.
Yep.
And then again, I think everything else is the same as the one that we have on the lot currently, and that one.
Yeah, just the color scheme is different. They went with this kind of ocean, beachy, white and blue concept, cool, which I think really kind of looks it's almost like you're on a permanent vacation, in this.
It feels truly like home, or I think this makes a great Airbnb.
Absolutely.
If you want to do that, which a lot of our customers love that. Walk-in shower, another window over here, stackable washer and dryer.
Whirlpool, right?
Yes.
Top of the line brand.
Absolutely.
And the windows are Anderson windows. And again, take a look at this, guys. Look at this shot of this living room and how open, airy, and look at the colors.
Windows, really.
Yeah, lots. Again, when you're in a smaller space and you have a shed style roof on the front side, big windows, dark floors, white walls, or light walls and a light ceiling, it's gonna make the space feel a lot more open, airy, and livable, okay? So let's make our way now back to, the bedroom area. And
now, as you pass the bathroom we just showed, this is your bedroom over here.
Electrical panel.
Nice and spacious with the beautiful windows over here. I love this. Gorgeous.
Yeah. So there's your second mini split, your Bosch mini split. There's your windows. Again, windows galore, guys. From the top of the ceiling to the bottom, you see all those windows. The fan up here blowing, keeping everything nice and cool. These are your screens for your windows. Obviously, they'll be installed after the home has been shipped. Again, there's your lovely bathroom. And let's take them outside and show them what the outside of it looks like as well. And then we'll just keep trucking along here. Look at that. Isn't that pretty, guys? So let's show them what the yeah, you got a couple lights there. All right, guys, we got a brand new one on the lot. Brand new. This is the one we call the Villa. This is the Villa Cottage. So if you're looking for something more modern, this is the one we call the Villa Cottage. Starting to get dark right now, so I can't really go in it. We got electric in it, but I don't got it hooked up to the grid. So I figured I'd just do a little video for you real quick. I got to keep it under 3 minutes for Instagram. But let me give you some quick dimensions on this one. This one is a 12 foot by 40 foot, 1 bed, 1 bath, fully loaded, turnkey. It's got electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, tubs, toilets, and sinks in it. Okay. It's got a 100 amp in it, or we can upgrade it to a 200 amp if you want. If you want to go with like a tankless or on-demand water heater, we can upgrade it, no big deal. It does have an 8 foot by 12 foot porch on the end. You got two options. We can, if you don't like the porch, we can just make it bigger and close off the porch and still keep it 1 bed, 1 bath. Okay, but if we do that, it's $95,000 if we close it up. If we close it up and make it a bedroom, it's $99,000 for this one. But if you keep it just the way it is, it's $89,900. 1 bed, 1 bath with this 8 foot by 12 foot porch at the end. Again, this is fully turnkey, plug and play. This is perfect for like an ADU, a granny pod, backyard cabin. You know, mom and dad, they're getting older now. They need a place to live, right? And you want them close to home, but you don't want them in your home, right? You don't want that kind of smoke. You don't want that drama. So put you one of these in the backyard, an ADU, accessory dwelling unit, so you can keep mom and dad close to home, but not in the home. That way you don't got all that smoke. You know what I'm saying? So beautiful home. Again, 1 bed, 1 bath as is, $89,900. 2 bed, 1 bath. We'll close off the end here and make it a 2nd bedroom, $99,000 plus shipping and installation, which just depends on your zip code and all of that. This one is available for sale. Give us a call at 812-595-4033. Again, that's 812-595-4033. I love y'all. Y'all be blessed. Hit that like, share, and follow button. You know who it is. Cabin Cowboy coming at you from AmishBuiltCabins.com and AmishMadeFurniture.com. Again, the link is in the bio. Go check out the website. What I got on my lot is just a small sample. The website is an all-you-can-eat prefab buffet. Y'all have a blessed day.